Alright, today I'm basically gonna give you a drawing lesson. That's right, I'm gonna give you a drawing lesson. If you like it, you know what to do and stuff like that. Like so. Alright? So let's get started with this. This is how you draw. You draw a line. That's it. You draw a line, right? You draw a line like so. Then draw another line like so. See if you can do that. If you can do that, you're a fucking artist. Like so. There's basically two curl shapes. It is. Like so. Like in general, like that. You're a fucking artist. And then you put two dots like so, like that. You're a fucking artist. It is. Like so. Then you do some curly arms like this. And it's at the side, you're a fucking artist. Oh, you dirty. You see, my chat's so dirty right now. It is. They thought it was gonna be something else. You dirty little chunky mingers. It is. You can tell I'm British, can you, like this? So, alright, right, okay, okay. The second tip to draw is use a drawing pad. Because the mouse goes like, like that. And you need immaculate skill, like shit like that. Like so, at the end of the day you do. But as for a drawing pad, you can draw a nice circle like this, and a nice smiley face like that, and a smiley face like that. You got a smiley face like that! You got a smiley face, bro! You got a smiley face, bro! You can even you draw your own doggy moves, like it is, like so, like have a little nose and eyes like that and a mouth like that, it looks like a t-shirt, doesn't it? It looks like a t-shirt, put some hands like so. I don't know how to draw hands. Like so, like that, like there, that is. There's your drawing lessons for today. And thank you for supporting the channel, like so. Please, whatever you're to do is, like, subscribe,